Hey, what's up? My name is Andre. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. On this channel, I talk about affiliate marketing, how to make money online. If you're into YouTube, if you're into Google AdSense, this is going to be the video that you need to watch because I'm going to help you clear up some things. And if you want to get paid using Google AdSense, that's how you're going to make money. So whether you're creating YouTube videos to generate an income, who wouldn't want some passive income, right? It is great to have passive income because you put in all the work, and then after over time you can reap the benefits. And for those of you that have a blog, you have a website, you got to set this up. How long does it take for your Google AdSense mail to arrive? So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. I'm going to explain to you how it all works. And if you have an AdSense account, you already know exactly how it works. So I'm going to share with you, I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you how it's done, how it's all set up. So this video won't be long, but I don't want to take up too much of your time. So if you have any additional questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them. All right, so stay tuned. Boom, Google AdSense. How long does it take for you to receive this? So the first thing is going to happen, in order for you to get paid, you have to reach at least the payment threshold, which is $100. So in order for you to get $100, whether it's through blogging, whether it's through YouTube, you got to make sure that you reach that $1,000 mark before you can actually set up any of this. So what's going to happen? Google will send you a pin. So they're going to send you a pin. The pin is going to come into, they're going to mail it anywhere from like 3 to 5 days. Well, they'll send you your pin, right? And they'll post it like 3 to 5 days after it listed above. So you generally find your pin. They will, I'm like so all over the place. Anyways, you will generate your pin. Once you generate your pin, they're going to send it to you. It all depends where you are located. People in the US, you'll get it anywhere from like 3 to 5 days. People overseas, I can't imagine. You probably get it anywhere between 2 to 4 or even 6 weeks. It all depends. So the reason why they're mailing you this is because they just want to verify that the address that you set up your Google AdSense is actually the address that they're going to send you this. So if you put a wrong address in order for you to get this, you will not get it. And they won't give you any payment until you can verify that you actually live here, you did receive this in order for you to get paid. So once you do that, you're going to log into your Google AdSense account. You're going to go down to payments. And as long as you get to the 100 threshold, they will release you a pin where you can get paid. If you don't get to that, you will not get paid. So if you're out there grinding, keep doing your thing, keep hustling, keep, getting that money up till you get to $100 in order for you to get paid. I get paid more than that, but I'm just saying you won't get it. And in order for you to get paid, let's say, for example, it's March. So if you made money in March, you won't get paid until May. So it's like they skip a month and then you get paid the other month. So if you make money in January, you won't get paid until March. Make money in February, you won't get paid until April. So they skip a month in between. So yeah, it is good to make money, but as long as it's like consistently over and over and over again, that's how you're going to make that passive income. So I didn't want to make this video too long. Make sure you like, subscribe, and become a part of the family. If you want to learn about affiliate marketing, ways how to make money online, check out the link in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.